Hey everyone, I'm Matt with Copperhead Plumbing. I just wanted to take a moment to introduce the company and myself. Copperhead Plumbing has been serving the Denver Front Range since 2007 under our owner and master plumber, Brian Tribioli. We have two sides to our company, the custom home building side and the service side. On the custom side, we work with high-end home builders to build the homes of our customers' dreams. From the plumbing aspect, we can handle any request that comes our way with Brian at the helm. On the service side, we're led by Taylor Tribioli, and we answer the call to all of Denver's service requests, ranging from garbage disposal repairs and replacements to water heaters and everything in between. We can even handle rough-ins for the homeowners that are upgrading their home or remodeling. I'm Matt. I handle all the incoming calls, scheduling, and estimating at Copperhead Plumbing. So when you call, I'm the one on the other side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're going to do a series called Plumbing Tips and Tricks, where we show you the do's and don'ts of plumbing to help you maintain the plumbing in your home. Take care. We'll see you soon.